I'm going to show you what the difference in quality looks like when you record at the different bit rates. The new VIOFO A119M Pro has 3 settings on the bit rate. So if you record at the highest level at 4K, you can set it to the various bit rates, and they're pretty close. So I'm going to take it outside, just move it around a little bit and let you see the difference. I'll show what the bit rate is on it, and you can sort of see for yourself if it's worth changing it to low, to medium, to high, just to save a little bit of card space. This is how you change the bit rate. Just press this left button, gives you the settings. Just click down one, hit enter, and then you can change it from there to high, medium, and low. Just switch through to whichever one you want and hit this button to select it. And then you can hit this again to back out. I'm going to use the latest firmware that just came out for testing, so I'm going to show you what the current one is. Get a focus there. So this is the latest firmware, just came out recently, and there hasn't been any changes as of the video release date on it. This is what it looks like on low bit rate. Switching from shadows to bright. This is sort of a foggy day. Change the angles. This again is low bit rate. This is medium bit rate. Switching from shadow back and forth the light. So it does with the sky. No sky. This is high bit rate. Shadow. The sky. Not sky. As you can see, even when zoomed in, there's not much difference in the quality of them. The bitrate recording levels are so close within just a few megabits per second. You might as well leave it on high bitrate all the time on 4K and get the best quality, and it doesn't seem to cause any more heat no matter which bitrate you run at. So I don't really see the use for even using the lower bitrate recordings on them. So if this helped you out at all, please like and subscribe. I'll try to put a few more videos on this soon. So thanks for watching.